Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see matrices topic. In matrices topic we are going to learn here how to find minors and cofactors, then adjoint of a matrix. So इस वीडियो में हम मैट्रिक्स का माइनर्स और कोफैक्टर्स और देन एडजॉइंट ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स ये फाइंड करेंगे. So let's start with how we find minors and cofactors. Minor of the element aij we denote it by capital Mij. This is what notation. ये notation है. aij is a element of a matrix. So इस element का minor we denote it by Mij. Now in general, see this is a matrix a11 a12. We consider the example of 2 by 2 matrix a21 a22. Here minor of this element a11 that we denote by n11, and it is this element, opposite element, that is equal to, or determinant of this we can write, so it is a22. Minor of the element n12, that is minor of this element a12, इस element का minor होगा, we denote by what, n12, and it is this opposite element, that is determinant of this. So it is a21. Here minor of this element a21 we denote by n21, and it is this element a12, and minor of the element a22 that we denote by n22, which is this element a11. So thus we got all 4 minors. सबके minors मिलेगा. So let's consider this example. That is, here we find what, minors and find cofactor of the element of matrix. So सबसे पहले आपको minors find करना है. Then what is cofactor? Here what is cofactor? Okay, cofactor of the element. So cofactor of the element aij we denote by capital Aij. We denote it by what? Capital Aij. Cofactor of the element aij we denote by capital Aij, and it is given by, see here, capital Aij is equal to minus of minus 1 raised to power I plus j into Mij. That means whatever value of this minor is here we got minus 1 raised to power I plus j into Mij. That is a cofactor aij, which is a cofactor of element aij. So we follow this. This is what formula to find the cofactor. So we apply this and we find all cofactors of this matrix. Here the given matrix is this. We find all minors and cofactors. Here is the matrix. Matrix capital A is equal to, our matrix is this, minus 1, minus 3, 2, 4. We find all minors and cofactors. So here n11 is minor of this first element, it is 4. n12 is minor of the element, this 2, and it is opposite element, minus 3. n21 is minor of this element, it is 2. n22 is minor of this element, which is minus 1. So we got all minors. After that we find what, cofactors. So cofactor a11, that is equal to, see, if keep in mind, if minus 1, listen, I plus j is even. If I plus j is even, then minus 1 raised to power e1. See what will be minus 1 raised to power e1? Minus 1 raised to power e1 will be plus 1. It will be plus 1. And minus 1 raised to power odd will be minus 1. So accordingly, this A1, these cofactors will change. So sign of cofactors will be changed. If I plus j is even, then it will be plus 1. I plus j is odd, then minus 1 raised to power is odd, that is minus. So A11 here, I plus j for A11, what will be minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1, and it is 2, m1 1. So clearly minus 1 square will be plus 1 and into m1 1. That means what we can say, यहाँ पे हम बोल सकते हैं a11 is equal to m1 1. So here we find all cofactors now. So what will be the cofactors? a11. See here, a11 is equal to minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1 into m1 1 according to the rule. So that will be equal to, ये minus 1 square होगा and it is plus 1, so which is equal to m1 1. a12 is equal to 1 plus 2 3 होगा, minus 1 cube होगा, 1 plus 2 into m1 2, and it will be equal to minus 1 cube is minus m1 2. Then a22, a12 then a21. So a21 will be equal to, here we will write a21. So a21 again minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 1, that is minus m2 1, and a22 is equal to what? Minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 2, that is equal to what? Plus 1. So it is plus m2 2. Now we has got what is m11. So therefore a11 is equal to m11, and it is equal to what? 4. Cofactors. All these are what? Cofactors. These are cofactors. So a11 is equal to m11, a12 is equal to minus of m12, and which is equal to what? m12 is what? Minus 3, and minus of that will be plus 3. Then a21 is equal to minus of m21. What is that? m21 is 2, so its minus will be minus 2, and a22 is equal to, a22 is equal to m22. Here we said a22 is equal to m22, so it is m22, which will be, here m22 is what? Minus 1, so it is minus 1. So we has got all cofactors. What are cofactors? a11 is equal to 4, a12 is equal to 3, a21 is equal to minus 2, a22 is equal to minus 1. So you can find matrix of cofactors. What is the matrix of cofactors? Then this will be the matrix of cofactors. Here matrix of cofactors is equal to what? 4, 3, minus 2 and minus 1. This is what? Matrix of cofactors. So matrix of cofactors is this. Now we will find minors and cofactors of matrix of order 3. Now we find minor of the elements. All these 9 elements, ये है matrix of order 3, square matrix of order 3. अभी इसका minors कैसे find करेंगे? All minors. There are 9 elements. So how to get minors of all 9 elements? तो इसका minors find करते समय, if we are finding minor of the element of first row and first column, समझो हम a11 का minor find करेंगे, तो we will delete the elements of ith row and jth column. मतलब फर्स्ट रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम का इसमें एलिमेंट्स डिलीट करेंगे माइंड में, और जो बाकी के एलिमेंट्स है उसका डिटरमिनेंट, दैट इज नथिंग बट माइनर. सो माइनर ऑफ दिस एलिमेंट इज नथिंग बट वैल्यू ऑफ द डिटरमिनेंट It is what? Value of determinant obtained by deleting the element of ith row and jth column ith row and jth column. So let's find all minors of this 9 elements. तो ये एक पहला एलिमेंट है फर्स्ट रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम में. सो वी विल डिलीट फर्स्ट रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम. रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स आर दिस. इसका हम डिटरमिनेंट फाइंड करेंगे, वैल्यू ऑफ द डिटरमिनेंट. सो लेट अस फाइंड ऑल माइनर्स एंड कोफैक्टर्स. सो M11 is minor of the first element. So M11. So here M11 is equal to minor of this element, that is value of the determinant 305 minus 1. What will be it? Expand this determinant, which is minus 3. Then M12 is value of the determinant obtained by deleting the element of first row and second column. ये first row और second column. So what are the remaining elements? minus 2. Okay, first row और second column हम delete करेंगे. 5 और minus 1. What will be the expansion of these 2 minus of minus 5 मतलब 12 होगा. It is plus 10 and this plus 2. Then M13 minor of this element. So we delete the element of first row and third column. So what are the remaining elements? Value of this determinant minus 2, 3, 0. We will expand this. What will be the expansion of this? 0 minus of minus 6, that is plus 6. Then we find minor of this next element, that is second row. So consider this second row. So in second row, minor of this element. So which is M21. What will be M21 then? We delete the element of second row and first column. So minus 1, determinant of minus 1, 2, 0 minus 1. What will be the expansion? That is 1. Then M22 is equal to value of the determinant. Here second row and second column. 1, 2 and minus 2, minus 1. 1, 2 and minus 2, minus 1. So value of this determinant will be minus 1 and plus 4. That is equal to 3. Then M23 is equal to what? Value of the determinant. Second row and third column. 1 minus 1. Third column, that is minus 2, 0. Expansion will be what? Minus 2. M21, M22 and M23. Then we find what? M31, M32 and M33. It is value of the determinant. M31, third row and first column. So we delete. So what are the remaining elements after deleting third row and first column? minus 1, 2, 3, 5. Expansion will be equal to minus 5 and minus 6. So it is minus 11. Minus 5, minus 6. Then M32, third row and second column. Third row and second column. Here one third row and second column we delete. 1 minus 2. Third row and second column we delete. 2, 5. It will be expansion will be 5 plus 4, 9. M33 is equal to value of the determinant. Third row and third column we delete. What are the remaining elements? 1 minus 1, minus 2, 3. We'll expand it. इसका expansion आएगा 3 minus 2, that is 1. So thus we are getting all 9 minors. So we will write all 9 minors. This is M11, M12, M13, then M21. Here M21 is equal to 1, M22 is equal to 3, M23 is equal to minus 2, then M31, M32 and M33. M31 is equal to minus 11, M32 is equal to 9 and M33 is equal to 1. Now we will find cofactors. So how to get cofactors of this element? So cofactors, so we use formula to find cofactors. We use formula Aij is cofactor of the element Aij, and it is given by minus 1 raised to power I plus j into Mij. So we will use this formula. Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to power I plus j into Mij. So A11. Now if I plus j is even, then Aij is equal to plus Mij. और ये ऑड है तो in that case Aij का sign of this Mij will change. मतलब Aij will be equal to minus of Mij, cofactor. So let us do this. A11, see here, A11 is equal to M11 because 1 plus 1 2 and that is even. Therefore Aij is equal to Mij, which is equal to minus 3. There will be no change in sign. Then A12, there will be change in sign, minus of M12. What is our M12? It is 12. So there will be change in sign, that is minus 12. Then A12, A13 will be equal to what? Here A13 is equal to M13, which is equal to M13, which is equal to 6. Then A21 is equal to minus of M21, and which is equal to, what is our M21? M21 is 1, so it will be minus, negative. A22 is equal to M22. What is M22? It is 3. A23 odd होता है, तो ये negative, minus of M23, and which is equal to M23 is minus 2, so इसका negative होगा plus 2. Then A31 is equal to M31. Why? Because 3 plus 1 becomes even number. So or M31, that is minus 11. So there will be no change in sign. यहाँ पे A32 is equal to minus M32, and what is our M32? 9, so it will be negative. A33 is equal to M33. There will be no change in sign. What is our M33? 1. So it is 1. So we has got all 9 cofactors. So what is the matrix of cofactors then? Matrix of cofactors Aij is equal to matrix of cofactors Aij is equal to what is our A11? A11 है -3 है, A12 है -12, A13 है 6, A21 है -1, A22 है 3 और A23 is 2, A31 what is our A31? -11, A32 is -9 and A33 is 1. So this is what matrix of cofactors. Matrix of cofactors. So for this matrix, okay, that is our second question. Here is our second question. See, in this exercise, the second question is this. We will find what all cofactors of the matrix. 1, -1, 2, -2, 3, 5, -2, 0, -1. So this is what matrix of cofactors. Now here we will find adjoint of a matrix. तो adjoint of matrix मतलब क्या है कि Aij is a matrix of cofactors. Then transpose of the matrix of cofactors is nothing but adjoint of a matrix. So adjoint of a matrix क्या है? It is a transpose of the matrix of cofactors. So let us find adjoint of this matrix. So ये 2 by 2 matrix है, तो इसका cofactors we will find A11 is equal to, listen here, A11 is equal to M11. What will be minor of this element? -1, opposite. फिर A12 is equal to minus of M12. A12 is equal to cofactor A12. So that is equal to minus of M12. So what is here? What is minor of this? It is 4 and its negative will be -4. फिर A21, यहाँ पे 2 + 1 ऑड होता है इसलिए नेगेटिव. M21, now what is M21? Minor of this is 3, so it will be -3. Now change the sign. A22 is equal to M22 and what is minor of this? 1. 1. There will be no change in the sign. So we has got all cofactors. अभी इसका adjoint find करना है हमको. So what is the adjoint of A? That is equal to transpose of the matrix of cofactors. Transpose मतलब we interchange all rows and columns. So what is A11? -1. A12 is -4. A21 क्या है? -3. A22 is what? 1. So adjoint of this we will find adjoint of A. We take the transpose of this matrix. That means we interchange all rows and columns. So first row will become first column and second row will become second column. So this is second row, ये second column. So this is what adjoint of the matrix is. Here is the matrix. We find all minors and cofactors and then adjoint of this matrix. तो इस matrix का adjoint ये है. You can observe over here. इसमें जो diagonal elements है वो they are interchanged in the adjoint. और जो non diagonal elements है उसका खाली sign change हुआ है. So directly suppose ये matrix है. So you can directly write the adjoint of this matrix. Okay, adjoint of this matrix by interchanging diagonal elements. इसके diagonal elements अगर आप interchange करते हैं तो यहाँ पे आएगा 4, यहाँ पे आएगा -1 और जो non diagonal elements है उसका खाली sign change करो -2 और +3. So in this way directly we can find the adjoint of a matrix. Now let us do this adjoint of this matrix. So we will be finding here adjoint of this matrix. So our matrix is what? A is equal to, next example, A is equal to what? 2 -3, 3 and 5. So we find adjoint of this matrix. We find adjoint of this matrix. So A11 is equal to A11 is equal to cofactor of this element. तो ये होगा M11. Cofactor of this, minor of this is 5, so it is equal to 5. A12 is minus of M12. Minor of this element is 3 and negative of that will be minus 3. A21 is minus of M21, which is minor of this element is minus 3 and that minus of it will be plus 3. A22 is equal to M22, which is minor of this element is this 2. So we got all cofactors. Therefore adjoint of a matrix, adjoint of matrix A is equal to transpose of the matrix of cofactors. So what are the cofactors? Elements 5 minus 3, then 3, then 2. Here we write transpose of this matrix. Therefore adjoint of A is equal to transpose of this matrix. We interchange all rows and columns. You can observe here, यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हो आप. Here is the given matrix और इसका एडजॉइंट ये है. तो हमने क्या किया, अगर आप इंटरचेंज करते डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स और इन नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स का साइन चेंज करते तो भी आपको ये एडजॉइंट मिलेगा. बट दिस यू कैन डू ओनली व्हेन इट इज अ 2x2 मैट्रिक्स. नाउ we'll find adjoint of this matrix. It is a 3x3 matrix. So you will find all minors and cofactors. Then write the matrix of cofactors and then you find transpose of that. We will practice this question. So here is the question. Let's write this question. We find adjoint of this matrix. तो सारे 9 एलिमेंट्स के माइनस फाइंड करेंगे, कोफैक्टर्स फाइंड करेंगे. So here directly we'll write A11 is equal to M11. It is minor of this element. So we delete the element of first row or first column. So ये determinant होगा. That is determinant of 3, 0 and 5 minus 1. What will be the expansion of this? Minus 3. Then A12 is equal to minus of M12, which is minus of the determinant of M12. So first row and second column delete करना है आपको. minus 2, 5 minus 1. So expansion will be minus 10 minus 12 होगा. Actually this expansion will be 2 और ये 10, 12 minus 12. Then A13 is equal to M13, which is first row and third column. तो ये एलिमेंट्स का डिटरमिनेंट -2 और 3, 0. Expansion will be what? +6. Then A21 is equal to minus of M21, which is minor of this element, second row or first column. So directly I will write the expansion here 0 and -1. A22 is equal to M22. second row और second column आपको delete करना है. So 1 into -1 minus of minus +4 and this 3. Expansion will be here -1 and +4, 3. A22 is equal to here A23 is equal to minus of M23 and it is equal to delete the element of second row और third column. ये एलिमेंट्स है 1 -1 -2 0. तो यहाँ पे आएगा 2. Here this M23, that is second row or third column. So second row or third column ये आएगा 2 और -2, so +2 आएगा. Then A31, here it is equal to M31. This I am doing now. It is value of the determinant, third row and first column. Third row and first column. -1, 3, 2, 5. What is the expansion? -5 and -6, -11. A32 is equal to minus of M32, which is minus of the determinant of third row and second column. 1 minus 2. Third row and second column. 2, 5. So what will be the expansion here? -4 and -5. So it is -9. Then A33 is equal to M33, which is value of the determinant. This third row and third column we delete. 1 minus 2, -1 and 3. So expansion of this determinant is what? Expansion will be 3 minus 2. It is 3 minus 2, that is 1. This is the expansion. So we got all cofactors. So we will write the matrix of cofactors. Adjoint of this matrix is what? Adjoint of a matrix is, here adjoint of A is equal to transpose of the matrix of cofactors. A11 is equal to -3. A12 is -12. A13 is 6. A21 is -1. A22 is 3. A23 is 2. A31 is -11. A32 is -9. and A33 is 1. Here now transpose of this matrix. So here adjoint of this matrix will be, therefore adjoint of A is equal to, right, transpose of this matrix. First row will become first column 6. Second row will become second column -1, 3, 2. Third row will become third column. This is the adjoint of matrix. Now we will do fourth question. Fourth question में क्या है? Here A matrix is given and we verify that A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A and it is equal to determinant of A into R. So इसमें आप ये, this is a property and we will verify by taking this particular example. This is true for any matrix. So we will verify this property. So सबसे पहले आपको डिटरमिनेंट फाइंड करना है. डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ A विल बी इक्वल टू और इसका डिटरमिनेंट हम फाइंड करेंगे 1 into 0 is expansion of this minus of -1 into 9 plus 2 11 फिर plus 2 into ये वापस 0 आता है. So thus it is 11 which is clearly not equal to 0. So determinant of A we are getting 11. So what we are getting here, determinant of A is equal to 11. ये होगा आपका पहला स्टेप, फर्स्ट स्टेप. फिर इसके बाद we will find all 9 minors and cofactors. So we will find all 9 minors and cofactors. So all minors and cofactors we will find A11. that is equal to M11, which is 0. A12 is equal to minus of M12. A12 is equal to minus of M12. मतलब फर्स्ट रो और सेकंड कॉलम आपको डिलीट करना है. So these are the elements. इसको एक्सपेंड करना है. So let us write here the expansion of determinant M12. M12 मतलब फर्स्ट रो और सेकंड कॉलम के एलिमेंट्स डिलीट करना है आपको. 3 1 minus 2 3, which is minus 2 and minus 9, minus 11. Then A13 is equal to M13, which is equal to value of the determinant first row and third column. First row and third column. तो ये 0 है. 3 1 0 0, it is 0. Then we find minors of cofactors of, that is A21. A21 is equal to M21. A21 is equal to M21, which is, sorry, A21 is equal to minus of M21 because odd आता है ये. So A21 is equal to minus of M21, which is second row or first column. Second row and first column we delete. So it is minus of second row or first column we delete. Then it is minus 1 2 0 3 0 3. So what is the expansion here? It will be 0 and plus 3. Plus 3. A22. A22 is equal to M22, which is value of the determinant. Value of this determinant. Second row और second column छोड़ना है आपको. 1 1 और 2 3. So the expansion is 3 minus 2 1. A23 is equal to minus of M23, which is minus of value of the determinant second row or third column. 1 minus 1, second row or third column 1 0 1 0. So it is minus 1. Minus 1. It is minus 1. Then A31. A31 is equal to what? M31 क्योंकि 3 plus 1 even होता है. Determinant of the elements थर्ड रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम. ये थर्ड रो और ये फर्स्ट कॉलम है, इसको छोड़ना है. minus 1 0 2 minus 2 आएगा. अकॉर्डिंग टू द एक्सपेंशन ये आएगा 2. देन A32 is equal to minus of M32, which is minus of negative of थर्ड रो और सेकंड कॉलम. थर्ड रो और सेकंड कॉलम छोड़ना है. 1 3 थर्ड रो और सेकंड कॉलम छोड़ना है. 2 minus 2. According to the expansion of this, 6 plus 2 8. ये आएगा 8. Then A33 is equal to M33. M33, which is value of the determinant. Value of which determinant? Value of the determinant 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 3 0. 1 minus 1 3 0. So the expansion of this will be 3 only. Now let us write adjoint of a matrix. What is the adjoint of matrix? Adjoint of A is equal to transpose of the matrix of cofactors. So let us write all cofactors. A11. What is our A11? A11 is 0. a11 is 0, then a12 is equal to what? -11, a13 is equal to 0, a21, what is a21? a21 is equal to 3, a21 is 3, a22 is 1, a23 is -1, a31 is 2, a32 is 8, and a33 is 3. So this is what now minor of the element. This is what adjoint. So adjoint of A will be transpose of this. We interchange all rows and columns. 0 minus 11 0, 3 1 minus 1 2 8 3. दिस इज एडजॉइंट. आपको आगे क्या शो करना है? ए इंटू एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए, ये फाइंड करना है मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो ए इंटू एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए मल्टीप्लीकेशन हमको फाइंड करना है. सो लेट अस राइट दिस. ए फर्स्ट लिखेंगे हम. हाँ, हियर ए इंटू एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए मल्टीप्लीकेशन फाइंड करना है. So here A into adjoint of A, that is equal to, what is our matrix A? Multiplication करते हैं. Matrix A is equal to what? See, this is our matrix A. 1 minus 1, 2, 3 0 minus 2, 1 0 3, 1 0 3. See, first column is 1 3 1, second column is -1 0 0, 2 minus 2 and 3. This is our matrix A, and into adjoint of A लिखना है. We will write the equation into adjoint of A. We will do this multiplication. What is the adjoint? 0 3 2 minus 11 1 8 0 minus 1 3. ये adjoint. So let us find multiplication of this. How to do multiplication? Multiplication हम कैसे करते हैं? First row into first column. So we will perform this multiplication. First row into first column. So what is our A into adjoint of A? We will do this multiplication. That is equal to matrix. फर्स्ट रो इंटू फर्स्ट कॉलम. सो ये 0 आएगा, ये +11 आएगा और ये 0 आएगा, मतलब 11. फर्स्ट रो इंटू सेकेंड कॉलम 3 -1 दैट इज 2 और ये -2, यहाँ पे आएगा 0. देन फर्स्ट रो इंटू थर्ड कॉलम 1 इंटू 2 2 एंड -8 मतलब -6 और ये +6 0 आएगा. देन सेकेंड रो इंटू फर्स्ट कॉलम, सेकेंड कॉलम और थर्ड कॉलम. फर्स्ट कॉलम, सेकेंड कॉलम और थर्ड कॉलम. तो 0, ये भी 0 आएगा, ये भी 0 आएगा, तो 0. फिर सेकेंड रो इंटू सेकेंड कॉलम 9 + 0 + 2 11. सेकेंड रो इंटू थर्ड कॉलम 6 + 0 + -6 0 आएगा. थर्ड रो इंटू फर्स्ट कॉलम, सेकेंड कॉलम और थर्ड कॉलम. ये 0 आएगा, ये भी 0 आएगा, ये भी 0 आएगा, ये 0. थर्ड रो इंटू सेकेंड कॉलम 3 + 0 + -3 0. थर्ड रो इंटू थर्ड कॉलम दैट इज 2 + 0 + 9. ये आएगा 2 + 0 + 9 11. From this you can take 11 outside the determinant. Okay, then it is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, which is identity matrix. So you can write here, हम यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं A into, therefore we are getting here A into adjoint of A is equal to 11. 11 is what? Or determinant of A. Earlier we said. और ये है आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. ये होगा आपका फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. ऐसे हम प्रोडक्ट लेंगे एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए इंटू ए. मतलब पहले आपको एडजॉइंट लिखना है, बाद में ए मैट्रिक्स लिखना है, और दिस मल्टीप्लिकेशन विल डू एंड विल शो दैट डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए इंटू आइडेंटिटी. मतलब इतना ही मैट्रिक्स आना चाहिए. So the remaining part is for you only. Here we have completed this all. See this question here. So the questions are, the last question is this, that is verify A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A. So we read these questions. So here in this video we did how to find minors, how to find cofactors of the matrix, elements of the matrix, then how to find adjoint of a matrix. Then we have shown this important property that A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A, it is equal to determinant of A into R. So thank you for watching this video.